Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI images in Midjourney in 2026. So if you want to turn your ideas into amazing AI-generated artwork, this guide will walk you through the basics. First, sign in to your Midjourney account and open the image generation workspace. Make sure your account is active and ready to create images. Next, locate the prompt box where you'll enter your image description. This is where you'll tell Midjourney exactly what you want to create. If you find an image you really like, use the available enhancement or upscale option to generate a higher quality version with more detail. You can also modify your original prompt and generate new images. Even small prompt changes can create very different results, so don't be afraid to experiment. As you continue creating images, try adding artistic styles, lighting effects, realism levels, or creative themes to improve the quality of your outputs. When you're satisfied with the final image, save or download it using the available options. This allows you to use the image in projects, presentations, social media posts, or other creative work. Finally, keep practicing prompt writing. So the more prompts you create, the better you'll become at getting exactly the type of AI image you want. And that's it. That's how to create AI images in Midjourney in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.